Lydia, and today we'll be drawing a fox. Fox usually eats rabbits, but we'll be drawing catching a mouse. So over here is an inspiration that I have done before. So it's bouncing the mouse away here. So, and also we'll be adding a background because this is actually just white paper. So we'll be adding some bushes or something. And I hope you like it. So as you see, I got a sheet of paper, one pencil, and this not coloring pencils. So the reason why we need so much coloring pencils is because we need a background. And if we don't have a background, we only need this much colors, only 3. So we'll be adding some background like this, as I said, so it will look more creative. Okay. So first of all, we have to draw the tail. The tail connects to the body. So somewhere on here, you draw a small fluffy tail. Not one pencil mark. You need to slow it down like this. Now you have a very fluffy, squished up over. Now in the middle somewhere you can draw, you're gonna sketch some fluttery things, some lines, because this part over here, like the thing we've done, the top part is going to be white and the bottom part is going to be the orange. If you don't want to do like this because it doesn't look nice, you can just do one small line, and in the coloring you can blend it in together. Now from the top you have to make a bit shorter to connect it for the body. So now we're going to draw the bottom over here. I'm going to do a little bit curve down and over here. Now the legs is going to be a bit easier, so you just need to draw a small thing. Doesn't matter if you do something wrong side because we'll be needing black to cover it in. And if you don't like the look like this, you can color it in now. So that's my leg. Now when you connect the body like this, you're going to come with this another one. You're going to do the same thing except on the other side. I think I just color mine now. So I'm coloring the black over here. Yep, and that will make it seem nicer. Now, foxes have 4 legs, so we're going to add another one over here. And another one doesn't seem to have space, and you'll see about that one. First, going to coloring. Now, when you have done that, you're gonna fine line it, make it a bit circular. Now you have done these 3 and the body. You're going to use the other side and do a kind of flat but bit curved shape to make it as the body. Now all we're missing is a head and the other leg. So first you're going to draw an ear somewhere in the blank space. And then you're going to draw another ear, but this ear is going to fold down like this because it's bending it. It's like it's looking down when the animal is looking down. So now we're going to draw the head. The head's going to be halfway over here. And bend it into a kind of like a diamond a bit, a different kind of diamond like that. Now I'm going to draw the nose and mouth, though in the middle I'm going to draw like a nose like that. And in the middle, I'm going to bring down a line. Now you can do a smile like this, like it's having fun. Now if you want to connect it, you're going to connect this into our body, like that. Last, we're going to put the eyes over here and make sure it's going to be looking down at somewhere in this blank space. Okay, now we'll be adding the other leg. So how to do this is from maybe over here, you draw a line like that, a small one maybe, and then I'm going to draw another one like that. I'm going to connect it from the body. Now I have a very thin line. All we have to do is you're going to connect it a bit diagonal, and I'm going to add a curved long arch shape, and then you can use your black to shade coloring this part. So that is our fourth leg. Now you might be wondering, what is the fox actually doing? Over here you can see it's actually chasing the mouse. So let's draw a small mouse over here. Make sure it have to be the same on the ground. Then I'm going to draw small, tiny, round head. You're not going to connect it first. They're going to draw another leg. The body, and then you're going to make it a bit rounder. Last, you can add the small eye and the small mouth over here. That looks cute. Now, for the ears, it's a bit hard to do it. What you can do, just do 2 straight lines, or you can add it into a ear like all do. So over there. Now, all we have to do is the legs. The legs, just do one over here and another over there, because the other one is actually on the other side. Now, mouse also has a tail, a very long one actually. So we're going to draw one line over here, do another one to connect like that. There's going to be a movement in there. So over here, as you see, there's 2 lines, like it's very fast, like a wind. So we're going to do it like this. 2 lines, like it's pushing away the rat or the mouse. Now we have finished doing our drawing. We can do some creativity by adding bushes on the back. And then we're going to make a small line using your ruler. It's my dog ruler. I'm going to draw the pathway that they are standing on. Now we can color that in, which color? We can color it in peach by adding a teeny bit yellow. And I got a darker peach here, crayon, for the sidewalk. And I can add some small pebbles to see that they are on the street, maybe not on the street, but in a park. Okay, so you can add clouds. That's a bit very similar to bushes if they're not colored in. Okay, so here is my drawing, and your drawing might look a bit different. You can add a sun, you can add a rainbow. Just connect the rainbow in a cloud if you want. And now the drawing over here, the orange one, you need 2 orange. So actually you only need 1 orange, but a tiny bit of red, just like shade the red in there on the orange when you color it in. That. And I hope you like it. So as you see, I finished my coloring. I colored the blue sky, and for the bushes is first of the coloring. I need light green, like whatever light green. You can even use this type of light green, this type of light green, and then I used a rather dark one, any dark one, but it's just suit best for coloring. And I add a little bit of yellow in these bushes to make it a bit more fresh. And I add a peach, yellow and dark peach to it. And for the fox and for the mouse, this mouse is grey and this fox I blended in. And for the tail, it looks a bit grey because fox's tail aren't really clean, so I used grey to a bit shaded in. And the ears are for black, color in black. I forgot to mention that one. What I do is sign a name. You can sign a name over here or on the cloud somewhere. I'll just sign over here. I think that looks good. And I hope you like it. I hope you like to draw this fox chasing a mouse with a background. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.